Welcome back to Biohacking Tips and Tricks, where we dive deep into the science and strategies that help you live your best life. I'm Mary, and today we're exploring a fascinating and rapidly growing field, biohacking. So, what is biohacking, and why should you care? Let's jump right in. Biohacking is a term that's been buzzing around a lot lately, but what does it actually mean? At its core, biohacking is the practice of using science, technology, and self-experimentation to take control of and enhance your own biology. It's about making small, incremental changes to your lifestyle, diet, and environment to improve your health, well-being, and performance. Think of biohacking as a DIY approach to biology and human optimization. It encompasses a wide range of practices and techniques, from simple lifestyle changes like improving your sleep habits and diet, to more advanced interventions such as genetic modification and the use of implantable devices. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about biohacking? The answer lies in its potential to significantly enhance your quality of life. Here are a few compelling reasons why biohacking is worth your attention. First, improved health and longevity. Biohacking can help you prevent diseases, manage chronic conditions, and ultimately live a longer, healthier life. Techniques like intermittent fasting, ketogenic diets, and supplementation can have profound effects on your metabolic health and longevity. Second, enhanced cognitive function. By optimizing your brain health, you can improve memory, focus, and mental clarity. Nootropics or smart drugs, along with practices like mindfulness meditation and proper sleep hygiene, are popular among biohackers for boosting cognitive performance. Third, peak physical performance. Biohacking can give you an edge in physical fitness and athletic performance. From personalized workout plans to advanced recovery techniques like cryotherapy and red light therapy, there are countless ways to push your physical limits. Fourth, better mental health. Biohacking isn't just about the body, it's also about the mind. Practices such as float tank therapy, neurofeedback, and certain dietary changes can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, leading to improved overall mental well-being. Finally, increased energy and vitality. Who wouldn't want more energy to get through the day? Biohacking strategies, including optimizing your circadian rhythm, using adaptogenic herbs, and cold exposure, can help you feel more energized and resilient. So, how do you get started with biohacking? The key is to begin with small, manageable changes and gradually build up to more advanced techniques. Here are a few simple steps to kickstart your biohacking journey. 1. Track your data. Start by understanding your baseline. Use wearable devices to track your sleep, activity, and heart rate. Apps can help you monitor your diet and stress levels. 2. Optimize your diet. Experiment with different dietary approaches to find what works best for you. Many biohackers swear by low-carb, high-fat diets like keto or plant-based diets for their health benefits. 3. Enhance your sleep. Prioritize good sleep hygiene. This includes maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment. 4. Exercise regularly. Find a fitness routine that you enjoy and can stick with. Mix up your workouts with cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. 5. Mind your mind. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine. This can be meditation, journaling, or simply spending time in nature. As you progress, you can explore more advanced biohacking techniques, but always remember to do your research and consult with professionals when necessary. Biohacking is a personal journey, and what works for one person might not work for another. The key is to find what makes you feel your best. That's a wrap on our introduction to biohacking. I hope you found this video enlightening and inspiring. Remember, biohacking is all about taking control of your own health and wellness. So start small, stay curious, and keep experimenting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Biohacking Tips and Tricks, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.